in my dad's home. Drowning the sun. Could all the water in the universe put out the sun? Fire is a chemical reaction that needs 3 key ingredients to keep going. The first is heat, such as from the match used to light a candle. The second is fuel, and the third is oxygen. Remove any of those... No, hang on. Sorry, I can't read anymore. Remove any one of those 3 things and the flame will die. Dousing the fire with water is effective because water is very good at removing heat and cutting off oxygen. However, our sun is not actually made of fire like a giant candle. It is a giant ball of plasma, if you didn't know that. Rather than combustion, the sun runs on a process called nuclear fusion, where the heat and pressure in the sun's core are so vast that small nuclei, such as hydrogen, are forced to fuse into larger nuclei such as helium, generating blistering amounts of energy and keeping us at a comfortable temperature here on Earth. Yeah, that was my dog. Hang on, how do you say that? Enveloping. Yeah. The sun in a thick blanket of water wouldn't be much help if you wanted to snuff it out, although the water would instantly remove some heat. It would also increase the sun's mass and therefore the pressure inside it, increasing the rate of nuclear fusion. What's more, the water molecules might get hot enough, where was I? To be ripped apart into their constituent nuclei, providing more fusion fuel. So the sun would actually burn more fiercely and rapidly than before. But what if you dumped all the water in the entire universe over the sun? Now you're talking. Strictly speaking, you'd be dumping ice rather than water, because space is so cold that almost all water exists in a solid form. You would theoretically be able to add so much to the sun's mass in the form of ice that it would use all its fuel very quickly. Then it would explode cataclysmically, I can speak now, as a supernova, destroying Earth and leaving behind an extremely dense neutron star or even a black hole. I guess you could count that as an extinguishing the sun. In summary, getting the sun wet is likely to seriously mess up our solar system. The man who wrote that was from Hertfordshire in the UK.